We want to become as biological as possible. And then some of these issues about the internet will disappear. I mean, somebody recently, here's an interesting statistic. Somebody told me recently that in an average square inch of soil, there's 500 miles of mycelial fiber. 500 miles of mycelial fiber in every cubic inch of topsoil on this planet. Well, imagine if you could plug into that net. We don't have to lay copper or fiber optics. If you're subtle enough, the wires are already there. Yeah, what would... Well, when you take psilocybin, it's interesting that many people report the onset of hallucination is always the onset of you see a white network against darkness. You actually see the mycelium, and then shortly thereafter the visions. And, you know, what would we think of the internet if we didn't have to lay any wire or transmit anything through the air, but we could just plug in to the wiring already in the ground? That may sound like pie in the sky, but it's not that.
That's what proposed that thing last year.
Well, he wanted to transmit electricity through the ground. I don't think he realized that there were biological wires to do it because of the fineness of these things. But I think, you know, commandeering, co-opting, modeling, and copying nature is what it's all about. This is what alchemy understood. Nature is the great teacher. Nature has had, 5 billion years to go down the worthless pathways and the toxic pathways, and has always returned to a certain Tao of an economy of construction and architecture and energy that is more elegant than anything we can possibly imagine. So, a truly human future lies in integrating, studying, imitating, and becoming part of the natural world without leaving any of our so-called technology or database behind.